are going to now walk through an example that arises in economics, and it's on marginal cost. We are told that the cost in dollars of producing X items is given by the cost function C of X is equal to 5,000 plus 10X plus 0.01X squared. We're asked to find the marginal cost when 200 items are produced. Let's first talk about what marginal cost is. Marginal cost is just the rate of change of the total cost function with respect to the number of units produced. So that means marginal cost is going to be the change in cost with respect to the number of units produced. So it's going to be dC dx. And we want to find dC dx when X is equal to 200. Let's write down what our cost function is. It is 5,000 plus 10x plus 0.01x squared. Now we're going to find the derivative. dC dx is going to be 10 plus 0.01 times 2 times x. And this gives us 10 plus 0.02x. Now let's find what this value is equal to when x is 200. So dC dx when x is 200 is equal to 10 plus 0.02 times 200. And this is equal to 10 plus 4. So we get an answer of 14, and now we need units. Cost is in terms of dollars, so this is dollars. And then our dx is in the denominator, so our x unit has to be in the denominator, and that is the number of items. So we have $14 per item. We can conclude from this that our marginal cost is $14 per item.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.